Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create columns in Word Online. We begin by opening the Word Online application by logging in with our account. After that, we will go to the Insert menu and then click on Table. Here we are going to choose the structure of our columns. In this case, since there will be 2 columns, we choose 1 row and 2 columns. We will see that the 2 cells are added. Now we are going to select both and then click on the Table Border section in the top menu. Here we will click on the No Border option. We will see that after this, the border of the cells will have disappeared. Now we can click on each cell corresponding to each column and write our text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.